In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a WordPress website from a backup using Updraftplus, a widely used backup and restoration tool that simplifies the process. So, if you've ever found yourself in a situation where your website needs to be restored to a previous state, stay tuned as we dive into this step-by-step guide. First, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your main control center for everything that happens on your WordPress site, so becoming familiar with its navigations is always beneficial. Once you're in, the next step involves finding the Updraftplus plugin. In the admin menu, you'll want to hover over or click on Settings until you see the Updraftplus Backups option. Go ahead and click on that. If it's located elsewhere in your installation, simply navigate to where Updraftplus is located. Once you're in the Updraftplus plugin panel, you should see a Backup/Restore tab at the top. Click on this tab to access your backup settings and options. Here is where you'll perform most of the actions related to managing your backups. Next, you need to locate your existing backups. Scroll down a little, and you should come across the Existing Backups section. This area lists all your available backup sets, clearly marked with the respective date and time they were created. It's crucial to have a clear idea of when your backups were taken to ensure you're restoring the correct version. If you've set Updraftplus to store backups remotely, such as through services like Dropbox or Google Drive, you'll need to ensure that Updraftplus is properly connected to your remote storage. Sometimes connections can be lost, and in such cases, hitting the Rescan Remote Storage link can help you reconnect and refresh the backup list. Should you find that your backup files are not appearing on the list, there's no need to worry. You can easily upload them manually. Find the Upload Backup Files option within the plugin to bring those files into Updraftplus. This feature is particularly useful if you have backups stored locally on your computer or an external drive. Now, for the primary task, restoring your backup. Each backup set has an associated Restore button right next to it. Carefully select the backup you wish to restore. Once you've identified the correct backup set, clicking Restore will initiate the restoration process. Simply follow any additional on-screen prompts that guide you through the restoration. And there you have it. With these clear steps, restoring your WordPress website to a previous backup with Updraftplus becomes a manageable task. Always remember to regularly back up your website to avoid losing important data in the future. Thank you for joining me today, and happy restoring.